Hello everyone. In today's video I'll show you how you can extract an ISO. So to extract an ISO we don't need any specific software. We simply can mount the ISO and can extract it. So here I have this window 11 ISO, and let me show you how you can extract it. Just right click on it and mount the ISO. Then you will find all this set of files which are inside. Simply copy all and go to desktop or any other location, and simply you can create a new folder and paste it inside. This is how we can simply mount and extract the ISO.